How to fix Instagram zoomed in screen. If your Instagram screen is zoomed in, making it difficult to navigate, then try these basic fixes on a device. So let's get started. First of all, start with restarting your Instagram app. Make sure you close the Instagram app completely and reopen the app and check if the issue is resolved. Then simply go to the home screen and tap on the App Store option available there. Inside App Store, tap on the search address bar and search for the Instagram. Then simply tap on the Instagram, and if there is an update available, install the latest version. Once you install the latest version, check if the issue persists or not. If not, then you can simply use your Instagram, but if it does, then simply go to the home screen on your mobile device. Then tap on the Settings app available on your device. There, tap on the General option available. Then, once inside the General, tap on the iPhone storage option available there. Now, from the listed apps, scroll down and look for the Instagram app available there. Then tap on the Upload app and reinstall your Instagram. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.